Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And it's your R where everything is made with love in every stitch. And today I'm here with Project Share. I was chatting with Jen Scraps, Mrs. Gigi, and Zena the Sassy Crafter on a messenger chat today. And we did a lot of crafting, and it was a lot of fun. And this is one of the things that I made today. This is from Tsunami Rose. And I believe the tree, I don't remember. And this one, Tsunami Rose and Kara Brandon. Here we have Paulette Slater, Kara Brandon, and Tsunami Rose. And here we have Paulette Slater and Tsunami Rose, which this one here I stitched. I'm gonna see if I can do the same on these, but here's another thing that I made today. Not these here, but this. This is from Tsunami Rose. Almost the whole thing here is Tsunami Rose except for this, and everything else is Tsunami Rose. So what I did here is a quadruple fold. So this is a like a trifold, but I added another fold to it. I put a double pocket here. Let me see if I can pick it up. I have a double pocket here, one pocket there, and one pocket in the back of that one. And then I did a waterfall with some of Tsunami Rose's paper. And then I stitched on here, and it came out, I think it was 2 different stitches. I'm not sure. This is from Paulette Slater. So this is what I done today with Mrs. Gigi, Jen Wren, Zena, and Zena. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, please be safe, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and always remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Bye-bye for now. I forgot to show you out this one that I made. I forgot the name of the company. Ugh. But I took Tsunami Rose paper and put it on, and I believe this one here, I don't remember who it's from. I will try to link everything down below, but this is Tsunami Rose here. And I took some stickles and went and did the iridescent and the gold piece here. Okay?